Okay, I'm going to show you how you're going to be uploading your work for your quiz 6E. So on your planner, let's go ahead and click on for Tuesday. Right, here we go. Maybe. Yes. So the first thing I want to say is make sure that you read each step carefully. So here's a note that says you're going to complete your quiz on paper like we always do. You're going to show all of your work. Then you're going to complete it online, so it is multiple choice. It will be randomized, and also there will be a time limit. And then number 3 is where you're going to upload your work, just like I always, collect your paper copy. So make sure that your work is nice and neat. You can either have printed out the copy of the test, or you can do it on notebook paper, of course. The following is the actual quiz, so you can open that up, download it, and open it up and print it, or, and again, I would probably download this and open it up so it's a little bit larger and just work the problems. Now, the quiz is randomized. However, on each question, it will tell you the problem number from the paper copy. So like these problems are for problems 1 through 3. This is problem number 4 on the paper, but it may be your problem number 10, but it'll say question 4 within the text box of the question. Then you're going to input your answers, and I am only going through this so I can go to my next step. This one has not been randomized yet, but it will be. But you can see that this right here where it says question 6, it may be your question 2 on the online. So that's why you need to just keep your work nice and neat and organized. My main point is how you're going to upload your answers. I had a few folks who struggled with last week's assignment, so I just want to make sure I'm not trying to make this difficult, but it's easy for me to grade this way and get your grades in the grade book as soon as possible. And then we are going to complete our test. Yes, I'm sure. I know I'm not going to get a fabulous grade. I made a 35. Okay, so then after we take the test, here is the part I want to make sure you know how to do. So we've done the paper copy, we've completed online, and now I want you to submit your work. Now, I took a picture with my phone and I sent it to my email. So let's go open our email, and here it is. You don't have to send it to your email. You could upload it directly to your Google Drive and access it this way. Try one more time. So I'm going to save as, and see, it takes me a little while too to learn, just depends on what type of file that you're using to upload. So I am going to, I'm saving this to my computer. Again, you could have directly uploaded this to your Google Drive from your phone. That's always an option. So I'm just going to put it under assessments and put quiz 6E work. So I've saved it to my computer. Now, when I'm going to click on answer assignment, and then I can say here, you do not have to type anything here if you do not want to, but I'm just going to add a file. And when I just click files, it's going to take me to my computer drive. And here we go. And there we go, right there. And as soon as it gets loaded, we're going to click submit. When you click add files, I also have the option for your Google Drive. So that's real easy as well. So however you want to upload it is fine with me. You just need to make sure that if you do upload it to your Google Drive, that you have given me permission to see it. But do not share this with me to my Google Drive. That is not where I will see it. I have to see this page right here, because then I'll go in and then I'll give credit for showing your work on your quiz. And then I click OK. And then I have totally completed my pathway. My pathway is uploaded. And then if I go here, whoops, and change my status to teacher, I will show you what it looks like on my end. And this is why we need to all be consistent in how we turn in these assignments while we're doing home learning. So here is the assignment from my end. So this is where I see your names and it says not corrected. And so I click, on the assignment, I'm able to see my work. So that was real easy. I can see you did all your work. And then I just give you a grade, satisfactory, that yes, you turned it in. And then I usually have a place to put a 100, and then I'll save it. And this is how I will upload it to the grade book. So that is how you upload a file in my pathway in the assignment portion.